Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be unboxing a Telfar bag, a mini, and I'm also gonna review and compare it to my medium shopper coat, my medium shopper bag. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about the two bags and then I'm gonna compare them, and then afterward I will spill the tea on how I got both these bags. I've already broken the seal. I don't want you guys to see my address. Here's my mini. Came in this little bag. Inside of the bag is another little bag. This is the little dust bag. The moment of truth. I forgot how small these are. Here's my little black. Has the little Telfar tag still on it. It says small shopper black. And then there's just like some trash. And then here's my mini. The inside just has like the tag. And then, oh my gosh, this is, I forgot how small this was. Just to compare, this MCM was my everyday bag and is even smaller, but I didn't need everything that was in it every day, so I actually think that this will be fine. This is so cute. Ooh, I have to go get my medium shopper to compare. I forgot to bring it in the room. Here is my medium shopper tote. This is in, I believe it's called Olive, maybe it's called Forest. You see there's like a huge difference between small and medium. So this one I've been using as an everyday bag, even though it's pretty big. This one actually came on my birthday. So I was really eager to start using it right away. And look how roomy it is. Right now it's pretty empty, but I did have it pretty full at one point. My birthday is December 20th. So I used this as my overnight bag when I went to stay at my mom's on Christmas Eve. I'll show you guys what's in my bag right now. Hopefully it's nothing crazy. So I got my wallet. I'm actually going to move my essentials into this little bag so that we can see what fits. I use a really thin card holder, so that fits in no problem. I'm gonna go ahead and put my phone in just because, you know, a girl's gonna have her phone. This is just your standard iPhone 12. For some reason I have a lot of masks in my medium bag, but I only need one, so I'm just gonna put one mask in my small tote. Gift card, just more like gift card, credit cards. Ooh, got my chapstick and my hand sanitizer. I'm gonna put both of these into the small. A mask for my daughter. I will go ahead and stick that in there too. I don't know why I have my junior high ASB card in my purse. Make it make sense. In case y'all want to know what I looked like in 7th grade. Okay, that's super random. I don't know why that's in there. I have lotion. Let's see if we can get the lotion in here. I have these little scissors. They don't really need to be on me every day. A pen is nice to have. Ooh, it fits. My IKEA member card, I don't need that. Lip gloss. And then I just have like a little ponytail holder and a Bluetooth remote. I'll take the Bluetooth remote. I guess the ponytail holder, why not? So all of that, oops, there goes the ponytail holder. I just want to show you guys all of those essentials fit in here. It won't button though. Let's go ahead and lose the lotion and the pen because this is the type of bag that you take when you're just doing something relaxed. I feel like you don't need as much ish in there. Now it snaps and we're ready to go. This is so cute. I'm in love. As you can see, that was everything that was in my medium bag. I'm just gonna put all this stuff back in. Ooh. Ooh, and then I'm gonna add all my essentials back to the medium bag because I want to show you adding them all back because I want to show you how much this bag fits. Bag, laptop, theoretical tripod. I'm using my tripod right now, but I just want to show you that I have put my tripod in the bag before change of clothes, jeans and a sweater. So we're getting full, but there's still room and it's heavy. Sorry, my arms are like exhausted. 2 makeup bags, hairbrush, eyelashes, facial serum, face wash, elf lotion. And it's not buttoned, but there's still room. So like if you're going overnight and you're like me, like a crazy overpacker, this could even be a weekend bag. This is a good bag, I think, if you have a boyfriend and you want to stay at his house. Sadly, I don't. Or like I did it going to my mom's house. My other idea was to have this, you know, when you go to the airport and you can have one carry-on bag and a purse. So bring this as your purse and fill it up with all the stuff you want to take on your trip. Stick this purse inside, then when you're running around on your vacation, you're using this purse, but this was your airplane purse. So heavy. I just want to compare a couple other things. Here is small box versus medium box. Next, I need the large so I can compare all 3 for you. So if you want to donate to my Cash App so I can buy the lot, no, I'm just kidding. I want to compare the dust bags. Here's the medium dust bag and then the small dust bag. So there's like a huge difference between the medium and the small tote. And then just like as far as the plastic bags that they came in, here's the medium plastic bag and then here is the small plastic bag. And once again, here is the medium tote and here is the small. Whew. So now I will tell you guys how I secured not 1 but 2 bags because I feel like that's kind of what everybody wants to know. My story's not too crazy though for how I did it. Like many of you, I kept going online at the drops. I would set my alarm, I would sign up for the emails, and I would always go and try to get a bag. I would often get a bag and put it in my shopping cart, but then you had to wait in line at the shopping cart, and by the time I got to checkout, it would be sold out. I know a lot of people have had this story. So then when they announced a Secure the Bag program in, I believe it was in August, I was like, okay, I'm just gonna sign up and I'm gonna choose a bag. I was just gonna get this little guy at first because I don't really have a small black bag. Like most of my bags are colorful or they just aren't really plain. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna get the little black. And then, oh yeah, so the Secure the Bag program was you could order in August and these bags had not been made yet, so you don't receive them till sometime in December or January. I got this one on January 4th, so I ordered and paid for it in August, just got it in January. This one came on December 20th, my birthday. I ordered it that same day in August. I don't remember what day it was. It was 24 hours only, but I believe they have done another Secure the Bag program since. But I would just advise signing up for the emails. Do not purchase it from resellers. Please do not support resellers. Just wait and keep trying and eventually you'll get your bag, or wait for another Secure the Bag program like I did. You do have to wait a really long time when you do that, but I almost think that makes it more exciting once you get your bag. Yeah, I've never waited so long for a clothing item in my life, but I'm happy that I did. I think it's well worth the wait, and I love that it's, you know, really bringing luxury to everybody. While these aren't crazy cheap, they're also not crazy expensive, so anyone who wanted to could afford one. The reason I got both is I was being so indecisive and I couldn't make up my mind, so I just got two. That's just how I am. But I love it because it still has the whole luxury feel though, where it has, you know, the dust bag and all that to unpackage. It has the really thick hang tag, which a lot of time luxury items have the thicker hang tag instead of a thinner flimsy one. And yeah, I'm happy about it. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in and joining me on my unboxing journey. Who else secured a bag? Let me know down below in the comments the color and size that you got. If you do not have one, let me know what one you're trying to get. You know, I'm curious. Let's have a conversation. Again, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoy this content, please subscribe, help a girl out. And yeah, ciao.